Welcome to Emma's 4th grade science project. Here we go. We'll check out her board really quick on static electricity. Awesome. Here she's showing you how she did everything and some beautiful photos of her doing it. And over here we've got her amazing results. Here's all of her materials that she used for the project. So let's go ahead and get started. Emma, take it away.
Okay, can I have assistant? Okay. I did my project on static electricity. I did it because I wanted to know how to measure static electricity. My hypothesis was human hair will have the highest amount of static electricity. I talked to my mom and dad, and they helped me design and do my experiment. Static electricity is created when electric charges accumulate on the surface of the body. These electric charges will remain on the surface until they are discharged by contact with another surface. I got all this information from this website, www.sciencemadesimple.com. Before I do my actual experiment, I'll tell you what I did. So, first I rubbed the balloon along the different materials. The different materials are nylon cloth, cotton cloth, a little sample of carpet, ceramic tile, and polyester cloth. So, I rubbed it along one of these materials. Then I held the balloon over this glass dish filled with these 200 paper dots. The static electricity made these paper dots jump around and stick on the balloon. The fourth thing I did, I continued and record the number of paper dots that stuck on the balloon. The fifth thing, I took all the paper dots off of the balloon, and I rubbed it all over this copper plate because this grounded copper plate. How it's grounded is this wire and this wire connects to this metal piece. And whenever the static charges hit this plate and rub it, the wire connects, it goes into the wrench. And if I put it on the ground, the wrench takes all the static electricity back into the Earth's core. Okay, so I repeated this project with other materials and recorded the data. Here's some pictures of me doing it. Okay, so I'll use my assistant's hair for this. So I rubbed it 10 times. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, that produced a bunch of static electricity. So let's see how, see all of the dots jumped around. So I'll take all the dots In this picture, it shows me putting it over and the dots jumping up and me counting the dots. So I'll take all this off. And while I'm rubbing this, like I said, I have to rub it real good to get every static electricity, all of the static electricity charges out of it. While I'm rubbing this balloon, this goes into the cord, and as I said, it goes into the wrench, and it gets out and goes back into the Earth's core. So I have to get this real good because it could produce a bunch of static electricity. Get this? Okay, and see? Since it's going back into the Earth, it doesn't cause any static electricity to pick up the dots. Okay, so I'll help get my assistant to hold this board while I do the polyester cloth. So I have to rub it hard for any of the static electricity to get to the balloon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, but you rubbed too hard. I couldn't keep it still. Okay. Let me do it one more time. Okay, I'll have to do this. My assistant may have to do it a little harder with her palms. Okay, get this really good. Okay, instead of doing polyester, I'll do cotton. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it took some dots. And one fell. So I'll wipe all this off. Okay? And as I said, the wire goes to the wrench and it gets all the static electricity out of the cord. Interesting. And that is my 4th grade static electricity science project. Oh yeah. Okay. Before we end the video, Hare produced 24 paper dots on the balloon. The polyester cloth collected 14 dots on the balloon. Carpet collected 20 dots. Cloth collected 17 dots. Cotton collected 20. Nylon cloth collected 17. Nylon cloth collected 3. Ceramic tile, of course, it doesn't have anything. It's smooth and it won't collect any static electricity because of smoothness. And in this project, you have to make a little friction for the static electricity to cause. So it doesn't have any rust spots or like the polyester. It doesn't have anything rough to cause static electricity. So it collected nothing. So I have a graph, and as you can see, human hair collected more static electricity than all the other ones. So my hypothesis was right. The hypothesis that human hair has the 4th grade science project. Wait, don't end the video. All I want to say is comment, subscribe, the end.